Today in 3 minutes, I'll show you step by step how to replace your spark plugs. No fluff, straight to the point. Pop the hood, remove the front intake pipe, disconnect the side hoses and electrical connectors, then unbolt the airbox and set it aside. Next, remove the 4 8mm bolts on the throttle body and set it aside. Then take off the intake manifold. There are 7 bolts here. I recommend using a 10mm socket with a swivel joint and an extension over 200mm for better leverage. Set the manifold aside. Unplug the ignition coil connectors and remove their retaining bolts. Use a long extension with a 14mm magnetic spark plug socket to pull out the old spark plugs. As you can see, the wear on these old ones looks pretty good. When installing new plugs, never use an impact wrench. Thread them in manually by hand first to avoid cross-threading. Finally, torque them down to 20 Nm. Do not over-tighten. Since we're already in here, let's quickly clean the throttle body. Spray some brake cleaner onto a lint-free rag and gently wipe it clean. Never spray directly into the throttle body. Don't forget to wipe down the intake mating surface underneath as well. Finally, reassemble everything in reverse order and you're all set. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.